so I'm going to start off with 3 eggs. So I'll usually try to eat a little bit more than 3 eggs, but we'll start off with 3. And what I want to do is scramble some eggs with 2 pieces of toast. And if I have some turkey, I'll use that. But usually my breakfast can consist of 3 to 5 eggs, some toast, and I try to eat turkey every once in a while. I'll mix it up with some turkey bacon or something like that, depending on where I go. But we shop at Wholefoods, so I try to get quality foods. Trying to stay consistent with quality foods at Wholefoods. So I'm putting the best things in my body as far as nutrition. As most of you guys should know, 70% to 75% of this fitness thing is your nutrition. So it's like how you eat. All right, so now I have my cast iron pretty hot, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil to kind of make sure the bottom is coated nice so the eggs won't stick. So I'm gonna pick this up and move it all around so it can get evenly coated at the bottom of this cast iron. All right, so it's a pretty big cast iron, so let me just make sure all of this oil is evenly coated before I drop the eggs on top. All right, eggs are done. All right, toast is done. So just lightly coat this toast with a little butter, a little thin layer of butter. The easiest way sometimes to do is just drop it off and make a sandwich with the toast, and the heat from both sides will melt the butter. So this would be breakfast right here. Like I said, 3 scrambled eggs and some toast with a little butter on it. All right, so welcome to MDG Fitness. Here I'll show you exactly what it takes to get fit the right way and to, try to eat healthy as best as I can. I'll try to give you guys the recipes that I use. I'll try to give you guys all of the techniques that I've used. So I've been working out for 15 years, since 2006. Here we are in 2021. So 15 years I've been working out religiously. And like I said, I know a little bit about how the body works after 15 years. I don't claim to know everything, but I know enough on how to use proper form and how to eat right and how to rest, and when you don't go, you grow, and the things that you need to be able to get your body and take your body to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or if you're in the middle or if you feel like you're at a plateau, I know things. I know a lot of things that I can help you guys out with to basically take your body to the next level. So here in this video, I'm doing simple deadlifts. I'm not doing anything extremely heavy. I'm going up decently heavy, but the main thing with deadlifts is to get that squeeze at the top so you can contract the hamstring and your lower back, and just, you hold it there and squeeze. When people do all this extra weight, all of this ego lifting, you're doing absolutely nothing. You're basically using all these different muscles. You're not targeting the actual muscle that you need to target. So mainly what you need to do is drop the weight a little down, drop the weight down just a little bit. Try to put at least, something that you can kind of not necessarily manhandle all the time, but something that you want to start off with light. You can see here, I'm starting with the bar. You warm up with the bar. Deadlifts is a very dangerous exercise. It's a compound exercise. If you do it the wrong way, you can injure yourself for life, or maybe for a long time. God forbid you do something that you don't do the right way. You round your back, you don't keep your back straight, or your back is not properly warmed up. So I try to have people realize the bar. For years I wanted to just ignore the bar, but as you start to get more knowledgeable and more advanced into the fitness world, you'll understand that the bar is very good when it comes to warming yourself up. If you get to the gym, you're pressed for time, people's waiting for a machine, you can't just sit there and stretch for 10 to 15 minutes. You use the bar. So that's what I was doing in that first clip. In the second clip, I'm somewhat moving the weight up, still light. I'm just putting plates on, nothing crazy heavy. It's just to still get that squeeze. I'm still in the process of warming up with the bar and, a very light weight, and just basically coming all the way up, going all the way down, using technique and proper form the whole way to get that squeeze, to get that target of the muscle. That's what I'm doing. And as I start to increase in the weight, it's still in my mindset like I'm warming up. I tell people all the time, treat lightweight like it's heavy, so when you get to heavyweight, it's light. So even when you're using a bar, you're still holding your breath, you know, you're tightening your core, you're strengthening your core and keeping your core tight the whole time, basically to protect your spine. And you're actually using that bar like it's 315. That's how I tell people, look at that bar like it's 315. Go in, use that bar like it's the heaviest thing in the world, because that will keep you trained, keep your mind right. So when you do get heavyweight, you're not just going through the motions, kind of like, you know, messing up and doing things the wrong way, because with the bar you kind of goofed off. Treat the bar like it's extremely heavy. That's one of the key things you'll hear me say on this channel a lot. That bar is crucial to your form and technique, and it needs to be treated and respected like it's heavyweight. As we start to go up in the weight, you'll see I'm trying my best to keep proper form, keeping my chest up, you know, taking that deep breath before I go in, protecting my core, going down deep, you know, basically deep enough, keeping, you know, my lower hips below my shoulders so I'm not putting strain on my back. And like I said, right before I go up, I want that straight line. I want my arms to be a straight line from the shoulders down to that bar, not in front of the bar, not behind the bar, just right over it. So in these videos, I'll show you guys the exact technique that you'll need. I'll try to give you the proper technique, the proper form that you'll need to be able to get this exercise down, whatever we're talking about. So like I said, this is just the introduction video to show you pretty much what this channel is going to be about, and the rest of the video I'll let you just watch. But I was just mainly trying to get the proper squeeze in this deadlift, trying to have the most perfect form that I can have and the best technique, and this will prevent you from injuries and allow you to be able to live for years to come.